Okay, let's have a go at flags with polygons. This is Chita in Eastern Russia, and it's pretty straightforward. We've got 3 polygons, we've got a triangle and 2 quadrilaterals, and let's just go. So first off, let's try the yellow triangle because that's the smallest. So I'm going to fill style. So fill style is equal to yellow. Good. Yeah, yellow with a W. And then we're going to be adding our points in. So we put in the 3 points one at a time. First one we'll do a move to. Move to 0, 0, that's the top left. And then we're going to move to the very center here. All right, so it tells us it's 200 by 163. So I will CTX move to, sometimes I'm tempted to get out a calculator. I think I can do 200 divided by 2, that's easy. But 136 divided by 2, that's too much like hard work. I've got a computer. All right, and then the final point, CTX dot, oh, I didn't want to move to, I wanted to line to there. And I want to line to, what's that? That is 0 along 2, no, 136 down. Okay, so that's my points, and once I've got all of those, I do ctx.fill, and I should see the yellow triangle. Let's try that. I'm going to do Control Enter to run it. Okay, that's a yellow triangle, that's looking pretty good. Okay, now we want to move on. Let's try the green one. So that is CTX move to. Same place again, we're going to go 0, 0. And we're going to line to, in fact it's exactly the same as the one above. So those first 2 lines are the same. And then I'm going to go, so I've gone from here to here, and now I go to here. So that is CTX line to, that should be a dot not a comma. And that's 200, and same as above, 136 divided by 2, whatever that is. Oh, I'm making mistakes. Let's put in a 4th point. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4. 4th point then is CTX, that's this point here. So that's the top right. So that is line to, okay, so that is 200 along and 0 down. Notice with the last one, I just did 3 points. I did a move to, line to, line to. I didn't bother closing it off. So if it's doing a fill, it has to close that polygon effectively. I did the last one in yellow. This one I'm going to do in green. So CTX fill style equals green. Okay, let's try that. That didn't work. That's because I didn't do a fill. CTX, I've done all those moves, I've then got to do a fill. No, do Control Enter. Okay, so a couple of things wrong here. First off, I'm using green instead of this violent colour, which is actually lime. The other thing is, you notice we've wiped out the yellow triangle, so it's like the yellow triangle is still there, but when I did this second fill, it did everything. So it took all these moves and line 2s and then these more line 2s, so it wrapped everything up and splattered the green all over what was there before, which was the yellow. What you got to remember to do is, at this point here, we do CTX begin path, and that kind of says forget what you've done so far, start a new path. Now we should get the 2 things. That's good. Okay, last one is red. Let's not take any time on that. We want the fill path, we want the fill, copy that, and let's just make the changes. So this first one is not from 0, this is starting from here. So that is 0, 136. Okay, so 136 is the bottom point there. The next point, 100, that stays the same. Next point, 136 over 2. So that's, this one stays the same, this guy stays the same, this one here, we want it to be down there instead of up here. So that is 136, and that should be everything. Well, that's a pretty lousy score. What did I do wrong? I did lime again. I want to do red. That's more like it. That's 100% we aren't. Excellent. Okay, we'll do something harder in the next one, I promise.